Hey friends, welcome back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In previous video I happened to show you guys how to update data inside our SQL table, SQLite3 table. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete record. Like if you remember guys, on previously, if I happen to comment this first, if I show you this whereby we happen to pick record, fetch record from the SQL table, this is what we have. Now we want to delete record. Deleting record is not very hard at all. I can just comment this piece of line of code so that we don't waste a lot of time. I'm going to just uncomment this and uncomment that, and then I'm just going to change that comment, that record into one of us the lines that is maybe comment or that is being affected. So instead of saying update, I'm just going to change this one to delete. Remember, whenever you are deleting from the table. So delete from our table, which is called student underscore info. You get? Yes, delete from student info. Maybe where you set where ID, maybe where ID equals to 1. So when I say where ID equals to 1, simply is going to be picking up that given record, and then is going to delete that record definitely there and then. Like for instance, if I come back down here after emit, and I simply said maybe record deleted successfully. You get? Yes, record deleted successfully. So this one here, I can just comment this, or I can even cut it off from our code because we don't want it at the moment. So that's what we have. So this one simply gives us a chance to delete whatever is not there or whatever we want. So if I click here, you simply say record deleted successfully. It implies in a simple term, if I go back here and I paste my code there and I comment this pop, this was record, this is delete, not comment, sorry, delete data. So I'm just going to comment to show you what so far we have done, so that you can see the record there. Right? So if you shake, try to run that command. I think you can see number 1 is gone. And if I show you back in here, no comment, you will simply see if I change this one to number 2, and I save, this David Brown is going to be deleted, and we shall get our remaining record from there. So if I come back in down here, now record, I think you can see number 2 is gone. You get? So that's how they simply do. And don't forget, we shall do all these things by the time I go with you guys on Python and the Flask and SQLite3. It will be fun, because you'll enjoy everything with me. It will be so much fun and you'll love the course. Now you guys who are really from Uganda and you want to meet with me physically and you want to learn programming with me. I love computer programming because it's what makes me get what to eat. I don't steal anyone. I'm not a scammer. I don't scam anyone. I love computer programming. Now if you may be in Uganda and you want to make some money with me, you want to learn computer programming, I mean you want to learn computer programming from scratch, you can come to OSP IT Digital Solutions. We are located in Wandegear, Diamond Trust Bank building, 2nd floor. Or you can just comment down below and say where do I get you, or even you can follow me on Facebook. I have all my numbers and the details about me. You can definitely go to OSP IT Digital Solutions, where I program with you, where I am always 24/7. Then also on the other way, and for you guys also say maybe you really know how to make application with the Python, you can also come to me and actually give you projects. I have some projects for clients, and you also might be their client and want to program, and want maybe a project. I can also come up with you with a project for you. So I have packages for different people. So if you also want something with me, from me, I can actually find you how we can do it out. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that each time I happen to make a video, you'll be notified. Thank you.